Worried about staying healthy? Well, here's what you need to do. Keep your hands clean at all times. Limit the amount of day-to-day items you touch. Things like remote controllers or public door handles. Avoid going in overcrowded areas like elevators. Use stairs whenever possible. Also avoid touching your nose, mouth, or face unnecessarily. Use a tissue or your arm when sneezing. So always carry a tissue, handkerchief, or a hand sanitizer. In fact, try avoiding hand-to-hand contact whenever possible. Don't worry about being rude. Be safe. Or as those of us here in Sri Lanka do, just greet each other with a familiar Ayubowan. It means long life. Here's another thing. Wear masks, especially when traveling in public transport or cooking. And for those of us that smile as a major part of our day, we wear transparent masks and encourage your staff to do the same. Prevention is better than cure. Stay safe.